Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can remove backgrounds from your images. I'm going to use PowerPoint for simpler backgrounds while Paint 3D for more complex backgrounds. Just before I proceed, I just want to request all of you all to please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will really motivate me to add more such good content, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload the videos they reach out to you. Thank you so much guys, and please keep watching. Alright, let's begin the episode. So I'll start by opening PowerPoint. I will start a blank presentation. Here I can either drag and drop images, or I can click on insert pictures from this device. I will go to desktop where I know I have some images, and I will select two distinct images. I've selected these two images for a specific reason. One main reason is that it has a solid background while the other image has a white background, which is not really noticeable. But if you just move the first image on top of the second one, then you can see that there is a white background here, and I want to remove that white background so that I can use this image in some other presentation or in some other setting. So what I will do over here is I will select the image, and then I will click on color, set transparent color, and then I will click on the background which I want to remove. Once that is done, let me just move the image on top of the first one, and as you can see the white background is gone. Let me try doing the same thing for the second image as well. I will select set transparent color and click on the background. As you can see, it has removed the bulk of the background, but it's not done a very good job here. So I will need to do something else. Let me undo these changes. I still have the image selected. There is another option given in PowerPoint called remove background. So I will select that. Again, PowerPoint by default has done a very good job to remove bulk of the background, but it has left some of the area included, while it has removed some of the hair as well as the leg and the stool. So I will have to do something to include this. Let me just expand the image for you guys to see better. There are two options given on the top. Mark areas to keep. So if I want to include something and if I want to remove something. So let me first remove the area which is what I don't want. I will just select this. As you can see, it has done a good job removing that. And then I will click on mark areas to keep. I will just do a rough outline of the hair I want. There you see the hair is included. I will do the same thing for the pants, and I will do the same thing for the stool. Alright, after this is done, I need to click on keep changes to save the changes. Alright, I will just bring this to front, reduce this, and you can see when I drag on top of the other image there is no background, which was solid background. Now I can copy this in, let's say, WinWord or any other PowerPoint presentation. I can reduce it, I can increase the size, and that can be used in your presentations. Alright, so this is a very good feature that PowerPoint presents. There could be more complicated images like having some trees or buildings behind the image. So how do you remove such complicated backgrounds? For that, what I am using is Paint 3D. So if you type on Paint, the best match that you get is Paint 3D. Let me open that. And then when you start the Paint 3D, you will get this option, new, open or paste. Let me open a new project. I have certain images which are there in my desktop. I will just drag and drop one over here. As you can see, this is a fairly complicated image. I am there in the front, and behind me there is a tree. There are certain more trees behind which I want to remove. Now I can either select the magic select over here, or I can select magic select over here. Let me select this. Now what it asks me is to select the area which I want included in the image and what I do not want. So let me do the best I can to minimize the screen. There you go. I've done the best, and then I will click on next. When I click on next, it does its best to remove the background. It forms an outline around me and removes the background. Now as you can see over here too, if I just expand a little, my hand is cut off, alright, but other things seem to be fine. My hair is there and everything is there. So there is this add button over here. I will click on it, and just like the first one, I will just do outline of what I want, and voila, there you go, my hand is also included. I will, if I am okay with this output, I will just click on done, and as you can see, I can just drag it over here. It tries to fill in what is removed with a kind of a good replication, but I can of course remove myself from there. I can copy that and I can save it if I want in another image. Let's say if I want to a new one, so don't save the original image, I want it again, I can save it. If I can save this, as you can see, I will just reduce this further in the canvas that I have, and then increase the size. So as you can see, the background has been removed, and I can use this image in any other presentation or anything. If I want, I can add some gradient or any other background as well, but that you can do on your own. So guys, we have come to the end of the video. Let me know how you enjoyed it. You can send your valuable comments at cooknifundays@gmail.com. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much guys. Bye.